Is wall dampness ruining your interiors? Paint peeling, musty smells, ugly patches. Let's fix it, not temporarily, but permanently. And no, we're not talking about just painting over it again. Wall dampness often starts at the root, literally. It's caused by a capillary action, groundwater getting connected with your walls and rising through tiny pores in bricks and plaster, bringing moisture and salts into your walls. This is why proper damp proofing during construction is crucial. But if your home is already built, don't worry, here's what you can still do. The goal is simple: block moisture from reaching the inner wall surface. For interiors, this means removing damaged finishes and building a waterproof barrier on the wall itself. First, scrape off all paint, putty and flaking plaster. If the plaster feels powdery or chalks easily, it must be replastered using a polymer-modified mortar to provide a stable base. A sound surface is non-negotiable. Now apply a rigid polyamide epoxy waterproofing system. No, we are not talking about the usual damp-proofing coatings that you might have tried and lost hope. This is a high-build system which can handle negative water pressure on damp walls for a long time. Start with a liquid-applied primer that penetrates the wall and bonds tightly. This seals the pores and improves adhesion. While it is still tacky, apply 2 coats of a high-performance rigid polyamide epoxy top coat, one after the other, allowing each coat to dry properly. Let the coating cure fully, at least 5 to 7 days before reapplying putty and paint. Use a solvent-based primer, followed by high-quality emulsion paints. And remember, good ventilation helps prevent future issues. Stop treating the symptoms, start fixing the source. For more proven waterproofing tips, subscribe to Waterproofing Labs, because a dry wall is a healthy wall. Subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.